If you see this light on your car, comes up, don't stress yourself out. It's basically a light warning that something's malfunctioning in the system in your car. It could be a simple thing like a gas cap loose, or it could be something a little more in depth. That's why we do the check-in and light diagnostics. It plugs into your car and does a computer onboard diagnostics that helps determine what the issues may be with your car. And like I say, sometimes it could be something really simple, or sometimes it could be something that's a little more in depth that needs to be handled in order to make your car run correctly again. So most people believe they need to go to the dealership in order to keep their warranty intact. That's not true. Certified shops such as ourselves have certified mechanics who can check your engine lights, diagnose it, fix the problem, and we have 100% guarantee on any type of work we do. My name is Jeff at lillysgarage.com at Castro Valley Tires.